Size, 2.53.5. Internal interface, SATA II. External interface, USB 3.0 Type B, to PC. Maximum capacity per bay, 1.5 terabytes for 2.5 of a terabyte for 3.5. Easy HDD docking and undocking. Support USB 3.0 with transfer rate up to 5 gigabits per second. LED indicator for power and HDD status. Support 2.53.5 SATA I, 2 HDD. Top reviews from the United States. Worked great. I was a little skeptical at first after reading the reviews on these docking units, and as a result I always used enclosures. I wanted the ability to be able to swap out at a higher rate of speed, and this device fit the bill.